Last night I caught a news story about Louisiana being the first state to classify police officers as a protected class within hate crime legislation. Then, the very next day, I wake up this morning to news stories of two snipers in Dallas killing police officers.
Really? That's interesting. Tragic for the people who got shot, but still interesting.
Yeah, I knew that that sniper incident just happened today, but I had to go back and check the date of that hate crime story. It was reported back in May, but I just caught the story on a subreddit just yesterday. So the two events were not so close in time as I first thought.
Yeah, but just maybe there's some connection. There's always some sort of tension between police and the general population as a whole. Even if you like police officers, the general population has a history of thinking twice about accepting armed government officials like police.
That hate crime legislation, I haven't heard of an occupation, as in a job, that is protected under hate crime laws. Hate crime laws are supposed to be applied to more so inherent traits like race, gender, sexuality, right?
Well, that's mostly what I've thought too, but religion is sometimes thrown in as well. But you're not born Christian and you're not born Muslim. But of course, most people are born into situations that make it more likely that they will accept those religions. Hmm, a type of job, a type of service is being protected like this. Interesting that the government, in this case, the legislative branch, has decided to pass legislation to protect a part of the executive branch, as in law enforcement. But but it shouldn't be too surprising that they would try to safeguard their own security force, even if the favor that they're showing to them is more so symbolic. I mean, overall, the police themselves don't get more stuff, something like money. They just get more compensation potentially if something goes wrong. I think I think it will also help the police officers feel more protected as well, something like a confidence boost. But those lawmakers probably didn't plan to budget in more money for those police, did they?
Well, in the story I read, I didn't see anything about a pay increase for the officers.
Perhaps I'm too cynical, but it looks more like trying to buy someone's favor without actually having to pay for it. Video posted every day.